Hey guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So today for you all, I have an unboxing. Now, if you are new here, I do videos 2 times a week on starting my luxury collection, hence the unboxing. I also try to share with you all how to get the same look for less with my Amazon dupe videos. And then I also do fashion and try-on hauls. So if any or all of that is interesting to you, definitely join the tribe, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell, and that way you don't miss an upload. And without further ado, we'll get started. All right, so this is the package. All right, so this is a Louis Vuitton item that I got from Fashionphile, and as you guys can tell from the box, it's a smaller item, so of course it's not like a Neverfull in here. So yeah, let's just open it up. If you guys are familiar with Fashionphile, then the inside of this box looks familiar to you. So it comes with a file. Okay, I do feel a little skimped on the confetti. It's like 4 pieces. Fashionphile has teamed up with Neiman Marcus, so that's really cool. I don't know what that means yet, but it sounds pretty cool. And then this is usually like the receipt, the return information, all that good stuff. And then here's my item. But if you take out this tissue paper, at the very bottom, it says, "Thank you from the bottom of this box." I think that's so cute. All right. Am I not high energy enough today? I feel like I'm not high energy. So I'm sorry if that's coming across on camera. I will try to just, Alright guys, I'm back. I actually had to go run an errand really quickly, so it's actually a lot later in the day, but let's go ahead and just pick right back up where we left off to the unboxing. So it'd be really cool if you guys could just pause this video, maybe subscribe if you haven't yet, and guess what you think is in this box. So just to give you a little bit more information, this is something that I have not ever purchased. This is a type of item that I have yet to purchase. So it's not a bag, it's not a wallet, it's not a key holder. So any guesses as to what this is? All right, so I won't keep you in suspense any longer. I've actually never had it like that where you undo it like that. I feel like I did it in a not pretty way, but here. The item that I got is, okay, hold on one second. The item that I got is in another dust bag. It's in a Fashionphile dust bag, and I feel like this is one of those like Asian dolls where you just keep opening it up, and there's another little one, another little one. How do you guys like the braids? I know it's a lot different, but it's summertime, so I'm really trying to do more protective styles. That's why you'll see me with more like wigs, braids, things like that. But the item that I got is, actually, let me figure out what the name of it is before, because you guys get mad. I always unbox it and I don't know the name of it. Okay, this is a long name, so I'm just going to have to tell you guys what it is once I pull it out. But I got a...
Oh no!
I got a bag charm. Oh, it's cute! Okay, so the official name of this is the Louis Vuitton Monogram Jungle Dots Bag Charm Key Ring Sugar Pink Poppy. Did you get that? Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then on the other side, it's that like rose ballerine pink. It's cute. I'm just looking at it. It's a little bit bent. Like it's not like super flat. Like it's not as flat as it could be. I mean, like who would notice, right? Like, I mean, that really doesn't matter. But just saying, it's a little bit like I think warped is the name. It's thick. It's a lot thicker than I thought it would be. So yeah, it's got the D-ring turn clasp here, and then it's also got the actual like key ring if I wanted to use this to just carry my keys. But I definitely intend on using this as a bag charm. So as you guys can see, I have some bags right here. So I took these out on purpose so I could show you guys what these will look like with this bag charm. All right, so I'm just gonna put it on my Speedy. So this is the Speedy 30 in monograms. And that's what it looks like. I love that, that's cute. And then of course, if I wanted to, I could flip it over on that side. I probably wouldn't. I would probably just keep it flipped on this side. But yeah, I think that's totally cute. And I really like that. And then since it does have the pink, I brought out my rose ballerine Couchette Matisse as well. So I'll see what it looks like on that. Okay, now on this bag, I'm trying to think of where I would put a bag charm. Like if you put it up here, first of all, I don't know if that can even happen. That looks tricky. I don't think it really goes here because it doesn't really have anything to like hold on to. It could go here, but that's the part that's up against my body, so no one would ever really see it. So I really think the only other place I could put it would be over here on the side. So let's try that. And so this is what it looks like. So I'm not, okay, maybe, I think you guys can kind of tell here that it's a little bit warped. It's cute, but that's not my favorite. I feel like I'd rather have it up here. So I might try to buy something that will extend from here. I feel like if I play with it a little bit longer, I could make it work. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Of course, if you like videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Remember to be good to yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye, guys.